You know, every day in the mountains is different, but by bringing a different camera today, I am very restricted. So I only have a 35mm fixed lens on the thing, and I've got to make the most of that limitation. But oh, another thing, as I put the pictures up, try and guess what the film is. I'll tell you at the end. Now this has to be one of my favourite places on the entire planet. It's the old slate works above Croeser. I think it's called Rhysyd, and it's just a photographer's paradise, as you can see. I mean, it's even better when it's raining and you know, misty, but there's a little bit of mist in the background. However, with the film I've got in today, I think it'll do quite good. And also my little fixed lens Olympus 35mm isn't too bad for this sort of setting, to be honest. Now the joy of using a camera like this little Olympus XA2, let me show you the thing again. Oh, the joy of this little camera is that it's a point and shoot to all intents and purposes. I mean, you have three focus settings, near, middle and far, a bit like a Holger in that respect, and it sets the shutter speed for you. And all I have to do is frame things up and shoot. Now that is very liberating. I'm not worried about settings other than focal distance. It means I'm looking at scenes and I'm just thinking, I haven't got a choice of lenses. I haven't got any messing about with apertures. I'm just going to point it at the scene and take the shot and move on. And you know what? It makes life a lot easier. Now, I was convinced that I was going to finish this trip with just a single roll of film, and I haven't got another roll of the mystery film I've asked you about. So I'm going to load in a minute a different film, so see if you can guess that one too. So there you have it. It's taken me 40 years before I've fallen in love with the XA2, but I have finally. I just hope there aren't any other cameras in my collection which take that long to bond with. So on that note, I do hope you enjoy. Oh, sorry, the films. The first film most of the shots were taken with was Aurora 800, one of those sort of rarer print films you can get at the moment. And the second film is Kodak Ultramax 400. So well done if you got it right, commiserations if you didn't, but anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.